Today's the day I get to tell the whole wide world how much I love you in my life. Today's the day I get to show you off, let everyone around me know just how I feel. Today's the day you stand in front of me as the last woman that I'll ever need. 'Cause this is our day, this is our time, this is our moment in the sun. This is our day for us to shine, to show the whole wide world what true love looks like, and what everyone should strive for in their lives. I'm so glad it's you took my breath away on our day. Standing here with you, with all our family and friends as our witness, watching time stand still as I slide this ring on your left hand. I'm so thankful I'm your man. I prayed for you, and now you're here. Nothing beats this moment that we're in, and I can't wait to watch our lives begin. 'Cause this is our day, this is our time, this is our moment in the sun. This is our day for us to shine, to show the whole wide world what true love looks like, and what everyone should strive for in their lives. And I'm so glad it's you who took my breath away on our day, holding you, loving you, standing right in front of you, saying I do. 'Cause this is our day, this is our time, our moment in the sun, the day you become my wife. Let's show the whole wide world what true love looks like, and what everyone should strive for in their lives. And there's nothing out there that could ever take away. There's nothing out there that could ever take away or replace our day. 'Cause this is our day. This is our day.
ocean, wave the sea. Don't come crawling back to me. Wave the ocean, wave the sand. Wave this time, wave again. Back to the center and swing. Back to the center and swing. Back to the center and swing. Back to the center. Everybody swing. Everybody whirl. Promenade on the arm of your paramour. Everybody swing, circle around the floor. You haven't changed, nothing's changed. Wave the ocean, wave the shore. Wave this time, wave no more. The leaves are falling, summer's coming to an end again. The daylight's growing shorter. Baby, maybe we should go in. We could start a fire. It's just cold enough. It's the perfect time to fall in love. Cuddle me up in your biggest sweater. Bring on the winter, baby. I could stay wrapped up in you forever. Fall asleep to the breeze coming through the window. Do you like your coffee sweet? Tell me something else that I don't know. I just can't get enough. It's the perfect time to fall in love. Cozy walk in the park. I'll bring my guitar. Play you a song that lets you peek into my heart. Watch football at the corner bar. Yell at the TV when they miss a yard. And I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'll try and act all tough. It's the perfect time to fall in love. I'll bring my grandma's apple pie to your mama's house. Eat too much turkey